Hi, I'm Craig, and welcome back to another on-the-road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at this Whirlpool top freezer refrigerator. We will show you how to remove and replace your defrost control board. Now, let's begin your repair. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. The tools needed for this repair is a 1/4 inch nut driver, a number 2 Phillips, and a tack puller. To access any components inside the refrigerator section, we will have to remove your console portion right here. Now to do so, first we'll start pulling out on the thermostat wire. Be very careful when doing so. This plastic can break rather easily. We will pull out on the side to release it. Next, we have 1/4 inch screw that is holding on the console. Undo this, pull down on your console, remove your wiring harness, use a flat blade screwdriver to lift up on the locking tab, pull down, and set your console aside. Now that we have the console removed and placed on a protected surface, we have clear access to our defrost control. Now, the main reasons why you'd be replacing a defrost control is if the unit will not cool at all or it is not cooling in the refrigerator section. Now, some of the things that I do to test this is with it plugged in, if it has not been cooling for an extended period of time, is I will use a non-contact voltage detector to make sure that it is sending voltage to the thermostat. Sometimes when this goes bad, it will not allow voltage to be sent to the thermostat and it will shut the thing down for an extended period of time. The next thing would be if you're having a defrost issue. Now, to test for a defrost issue, you will have to go to the defrost system, test out your heater, and then test out your thermostat to make sure those are working properly. If those are working properly, the chances are you have a bad defrost control. To remove it, first we will slide up on the thermostat wire, flip the console over, remove your 2 Phillips screws holding it in place, pull up on your defrost timer, pull out on one. If the other one is stuck, make sure you gently use a screwdriver or a tack puller to start to pry up on the terminals. Remove the defrost control and set it aside. When installing your new defrost control, first we will install the black Molex connector. Be very careful when sliding this on, as it is a very stiff harness and sometimes you can put too much pressure on some of the components on it. Reinstall the blue harness. We'll drop it into place. Now you will want to grab onto this when flipping it over so that we can line up the screw holes. Start to put your first screw in. Just give it a couple of twists with your hands so that you can line up the second one. Use your screwdriver and start to tighten. Flip the unit over, reattach your thermostat bulb. Now we can reinstall our console. When reinstalling your console, first we will line up this slotted area on the top, start to push in, reattach your wiring harness. By hand, push your 1/4" screw in and start to reattach it, followed by tightening it up. On the back thermostat portion, slide in the side clip first. You will have to apply pressure here as these tabs are extremely stiff. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.